Okay, Nick, tell me why we're doing this.
So basically, archaeology is a science, and so we're trying to create a controlled area of excavation. And so when we set up the lines, we create what are called sections, which is what you can see here. And so as we dig down level by level or strata by strata, you record what you have, and it should match up with what your sections are. And so theoretically, all the finds that I find in one layer, you should be able to match that layer up with what's going on in the section. And so by digging in this controlled way, you sort of basically cut the cake of the tail. You create little layers. A good example of this, actually, you might be able to see it. There's sort of shell and pebbly stuff in the wall section. That's a floor that runs all the way across. And so as we excavated the floor, we went through it, and you still have remnants of it in the wall. And so we know that's from a certain time period, what's below it is from another time period. So say that's from the late Persian period, what's underneath is from the early Persian period. If what we collected as we went down matches that, it's a science.
Awesome, thanks.
It's all about control.